Move-in ready and perfectly located, this first-floor corner unit in the sought-after 55-plus International Club offers comfort, convenience, and peace of mind with numerous updates. The remodeled open kitchen is both stylish and functional, featuring newer appliances and a spacious pantry. A split-bedroom floor plan provides privacy, while the in-unit laundry room includes a full-size washer and dryer, 2017. Major upgrades ensure lasting value, including a brand-new roof, water heater, 2016, AC, 2014, and hurricane impact windows installed in 2013. Fresh living continues outdoors with a private screened-in porch, perfect for morning coffee or relaxing evenings. Residents of International Club enjoy access to their own community pool, while also benefiting from the extensive amenities of the Huntington Lakes Master Association, including multiple pools, a clubhouse, fitness center, tennis, and a vibrant calendar of social activities. The location is unmatched. Shopping and dining are within walking distance, and Delray's famous Atlantic Avenue nightlife, pristine beaches, and endless entertainment are only 10 minutes away. With its upgrades, ideal floor plan, and unbeatable value, this home is a rare find in today's market. Don't miss your chance to make it yours.